All right, my people, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Yes, I am here again to talk about something that I consider very, very important. You know, I have discussed about Nneka Chimezie, who happened to be this woman we are seeing here. And I've told us time without number that there's nothing different between Nneka Chimezie and Chika Merike, aka Lazuba. These two people have something in common. They don't know anything, but they want to consider themselves as a teacher or as a lecturer. They don't know anything about something, but they want to contribute about that thing. When you talk, some people will say you're attacking innocent people. How are they innocent? Listen to them is just like watching a comedy show, a pure comedy show. I have told us, stand with that number, that Nneka is an example of what Lazuba actually represents. People that don't know anything about the information, but they want their voice to be heard. How can you consider them serious? It doesn't matter how long we will talk about her. It doesn't matter what you have said in the past. She cannot repent, just like Lazuba. People that will say something, but they don't bother how people react on what they said. To them, they think they're making sense. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I want to play her video so that you yourself will see what I'm talking about. I know many of you may not believe what I'm saying now, but time will tell. You know, I think you will get to know that, because everything that she said here is just an example of what I've told us in the past. She don't mean anything good. She's not serious. She's just a joker. Now, hear this.
So as I'm landing on at the movement, I know
no, start from the beginning. What you believe? Start from the
beginning. Chọrọ ikwu ọzọ ihe gbasara ihe na-eme na gbasara ndị Igbo na IPOB. Eziokwu m niile obi dị m aṅụrị. Eziokwu na wụ m member of IPOB, mana ekwetara m na the struggle na the movement.
No, eziokwu na ya bụ member of IPOB, but ya kwetara the movement. Everybody is IPOB member. Judging by the meaning of IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra. All right, hold it there. I want you to listen to watch this. Let's read this thing first before I continue with our video. Let's go here. Okay, what the person that published this video, I saw it on X, is called Biafra. What's his name? They call themselves something writer. Look at it. Biafran Twitter. Okay, Biafran Twitter. I thought it's the other one they called the one that Jofo was managing or somehow. Anyway, don't mind me. Biafran writer. Okay, sometimes they say writer of conscience. This one is Biafran Twitter. So let's go to Biafran Twitter. Maybe it could be former Biafran writer, or they say writer of conscience. You know, these guys know how to craft a name. But listen, he said, Lord Nneka, I don't want to call her Lord. That's why I put there Nneka Chimezie. Lord Nneka Chimezie speaks. Can you imagine? Speak Republican Remo, okay? Republican, I don't know. Remo, okay? Let me just call Remo, concerning clarifying why self-determination is the only solution in Nigeria to save Christians. She called on the people to fully support the Directorate of State, DOS, the leadership and governing body of IPOB for efficiency and the result. For efficiency and result. Okay? Why not on the matter? Oh yeah, this woman that is calling people to support don't even know what the DOS, the antecedent, what they have done. She don't care. She don't bother to know anything about. She don't even ask, do any findings. Nothing whatsoever. That's what you hear, or what you get when you follow or get to listen to somebody that follow movement like Biafra movement from radio. She just followed it on radio. Which radio? Radio Biafra, that if Okenosha is now broadcasting there. For them to understand the real thing that people actually wanted, she don't bother to follow to listen, to ask some pertinent question. During the time of Uche before, What do they commit? What, you know, this issue of, oh, Sam Nneka is one causing insecurity. This is the same DOS told this woman that Sam Nneka is not a member of IPOB. Why? Because to them, they said that he did not take oath, whereas he took oath. This woman here is saying, oh, I'm not even Sam Nneka. How about he a member of IPOB? Here, you are talking as an IPOB member. You are talking as an IPOB member. But did I say IPOB member? DOS, because IPOB, nobody's talking about DOS member. But you have the audacity to criticize somebody that the person is not a member. Just a few days ago, we heard that these DOS are officially 17 people. 17 people make up the body called DOS, according to a master prophet. This woman don't even know that. They are not, okay, you say that you know, look at it here. Like they call themselves here, Directorate of State DOS, the leadership and governing body of IPOB. You now have IPOB, they now have governing body of IPOB. So then what is IPOB? A movement. So if they are governing body, governing well, because we are going to hear in this video that she's trying to mock, or she's mocking COS and PM Sam Nneka for saying that they have formed a government and they are in abroad, according to her. That if you say that you form a government for our people, where are you in the land? Where is your army? Where Nigerian government put tax, and our people and paying the tax, and you say you have formed a government. The same video that they published that she have this nonsense. Somebody is here telling you that the DOS is actually the leadership and the governing body of IPOB. Governing body of IPOB. So who's IPOB? In this not period of Biafra, meaning that we actually have a government governing us. Understand it? Common sense. Meaning that we have government under IPOB that is supposed to govern us. And you are supporting this body, you know, and you ignore the fact that you also criticize another person for forming a government, and you are mocking. Oh, you have army, you have police, they put their tax, and people are paying tax, and you say that you have a government. Between Biafran government, Nneka, or USB government, and IPOB and US and the so governing body of IPOB, which is actually governing of people of Biafra. You get the point now. Which of them established first? And why are you criticizing another one, the one that just declared, USB that was declared last year? You are disturbing them and questioning them for not showing that, you know, that people are not feeling the impact of their governance. But you want me to start supporting the ancient governing body that govern nobody. Nobody even know their leadership. Nobody know the governing body. What are they governing? What exactly are they governing? This woman, you don't bother to ask yourself the achievement of this governing body of DOS immediately after the kidnap of Master Mordecai. You are not claiming that they wrote to Remo. Please, public, just put that there later. Make it public. Let's listen. Now, I want you to pay attention, because if I begin to talk about her and her madness, I may not have the chance to play the video at all. I don't have any enemy to anybody. I hate it when people choose all this selective judgment, choose to praise another person and label all the crime on another person. People that are actually doing the same thing or have the same line of thought. That means you must be a criminal. That's all I can say about it.
So onye ọbụla nọ n'obedient movement, mana ndị kwete n'obedient movement.
No, start from beginning, so no interruption. I don't want people to miss the.
Ihe m chọrọ ikwu ọzọ wụ ihe gbasara ihe na-eme na gbasara ndị Igbo na IPOB. Eziokwu m niile, obi dị m aṅụrị. Eziokwu na wụ m member of IPOB, mana ekwete m na the struggle, na the movement. Ọ dị ka obedient movement. Ọwụ onye ọbụla nọ n'obedient movement, mana ndị kwete n'obedient movement na-anọghị n'obedient movement ka ndị nọ n'obedient movement. Ndị ọrụ n'obi ọrụ na-anọghị n'obedient movement ka ndị nọ n'obedient movement. So IPOB and the Biafran Restoration Movement. Ndị nọ na the movement na anọghị na IPOB ka. So achọ m na ndị nọ na the movement anọghị m na IPOB. And all based on that, ka m ji na-ekwu okwu ihe mgbowo President ndị Igbo Women Assembly ebe ụmụ nwaanyị Igbo anyị nọkwa na-etinye ọnụ na-asọpọtụ ụmụ anyị, na-asọpọtụ ndị dị anyị, na-asọpọtụ ọha na eze, na-asọpọtụ
ọha na eze that is actually working against IPOB that you are present. At the same time, the people that post your video said that you are actually addressing Remo in Igbo language. And that's why I said that any liar, any person that is not genuine will be standing and doing what they're doing. This video, according to this guy, he said it here, that you are addressing Remo. You are addressing Remo. Okay? Look at it here. Here they said that you are addressing Remo. Okay. Look at it here. He said that Nneka Chimezie speaks, tag Remo, speaks concerning clarifying Remo, why self-determination is the only solution in Nigeria to save Christians. Liars. It has nothing to do. This thing has nothing to do with US. This is the same work we used to, have been claiming the responsibilities of all the effort of other people, and it's not gonna work the way you think. It's not gonna work. Just take it away from your mind, because people are not sleeping over this nonsense. People are aware of your lies and deception. You are trying to deceive.
Eme ihe dị Igbo mma, anyị na-akụ aka ndị na-emete anyị wụrụ na anyị pịa ha nke anyị ji bụrụ ndị nne, nke anyị ji bụrụ ụmụ nwaanyị. Mgbe m bịara kpagharịa, I keep saying it, ka m bịa chọpụta na IPOB meant well. Ọtụtụ ndị na-akpọ m kemgbe m kwara gaa meet Nnamdi Kanu pụtakwuo ihe m kwuru. Ọtụtụ okwu apụtacha, and ama m na okwu ahụ ga-eshepụkwa elu.
IPOB meant well. Good and fine. I agree. Does DOS mean well? Do they mean well? They are two different people, two different things. IPOB, DOS are not the same. I know that this one is beyond your knowledge, beyond your capacity. You are saying, oh, you are supporting. It's not supporting. It's about being realistic. That thing that you find that IPOB meant well, I agree with you. Even though I agree, can you also tell us what your findings? Tell us your findings and what you used to think about them before your findings. I dare you to talk about it.
A lot of things, Yeah, where were you? But I can a senator Ted Cruz they have put out one year Nigeria. Got it more difficult.
I'm going to why I'm more different. I can also not Ted Cruz. The 21 I'm going to dig for.
And when do kwa ha ga-elupụ bama na o juru m afọ. Gịnị ka o ji ju m afọ ụbọchị na IPOB na-ekwu okwu, IPOB na-arụ ọrụ n'okpuru ha ndị ekwu ụka. Ebe ọ bụ na even that topic ndị ọcha ewepụtala ya tinye ọnụ. Ihe fọdụrụ n'ogbo awụ ndị IPOB ime gịnị stand na nke proof wezere to them reason ga-eme a ga-eji ekewa. Wee gwazie ha because ọ na-ekwu na afịa ya awụ ndị a ga-eselite ndị a ga-eselite. Ọ bụ eziokwu. Na ọ wụzi even self na ọnwụ na ndị Igbo n'ọrụ onwe ha, ọnwụ na ndị middle belt ga-ekwe n'ọrụ onwe ha. Enwezi obodo okwu na ọta Amerịka na ihe Amerịka ji na-enye n'anyị aka ha akwụ n'ọkpa ha. Ọnwụ na ha na Naịjirịa ha ga-ekwu nwa okwu taa mba. Ọnwụ na-ekewapụta South East, kewapụta middle belt, okwu agwụla na enwezi ndị nke fọzinu na far north. Anyị achọsị ịkpagbu ha, anyị nyezere ha aka taa ndị ọcha si enye aka wee na-akọmend IPOB na-ekene fa. Ekene ndị ise na-ekene Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na DOS ya otu n'ọya leadership DOS na-ekene ha na-asị ndị DOS ụnụ adakwala mba na-agbanye ha hụ na mgba na-agba ụnụ sọsọ na mpụtara sị na
ịma na ka Chineke si eme ifu na okwuchiri okwu a na wee gbaa asọ ọ ka bụ otu egbopụ ya bikos ikwururu ọnụ ebe na-egekwe ntị.
Nnamdi Kanu sọwụ n'ugwu ndị isi ya dịka nga atọrọ ya dịka ụdị bọmbụ na Amerịka tọrọ na ugwu Awụsa ya na-ekwu niile n'ala gosi m ụdị mgbo na wee tụ njisi ike na ọkịta aka ụlọ ga-anọkwa wee na-ayọ Igbo niile ụnụ aflanụ ka ose agụ ụnụ afla ka ose ada ka onye ọbụla liteghi ire IPOB aja na onye Igbo ọbụla si na ọnọdụ Naijiria nọdị dere ndị ofe mmanụ na-ebe ebe ndị Awụsa na-ebe ebe anyị gbebe nna gboo ebe ọ bụ na ụmụaka alụgide na ọga alụrụ oyi ụla ihe anyị.
Before I continue with this video, let me say something. You go up and video. In HFE game, how this guy called Kai report, I think you need to key nature, you guys are you guys are before that if I in nature. Each enemy for job tomorrow water. I'm telling you, and as long as I am not here calling for people's head, I didn't make the money before job. Open a kage doja. What if you game again? Enu na nagana ekpuchi gị mana ọ bụrụ na ị na-eche echere mbe echiche ọjọọ na-eme anya ọjọọ anya gaghị ga-akpọ aka gị ga-agbaji ụkwụ ahụ iji eje ebe ka ị gaa ije ị ga-ewe na mmiri ị ga-ebu ma ọkwụ ụzọ wee na bọọlụ because ọ daghị ahụ why if you never I don't know her I don't have any issue with her but how can you expect people to keep quiet when somebody who don't even know nothing about the whole thing is trying to lure and deceive people on something that's too obvious? If this woman knows the atrocities behind what she's talking about, she will never ever even mention the name Jews. I'm not one of those that claim that Jews sold Mazanakan. I don't know who market Mazanakan. Only God in heaven knows. But the idea and the actions of US on PM, that one played on my face. I saw it, I witnessed it, I feel it. The gang up, the cooked up stories against him to get him out is not something anybody can write home about. It is so bad. Very, 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 very bad. So let's just hear her, please. Just hear her.
At the point of anaghị alazi azụ onye ọbụla na-asị ngwa hapụ ihe a chọrọziri igbu ya egbe wipe out and ebe ọkwa nna ha na-eme ihe a agbaghị egbe atụghị uchu sie ike gbaa mgbọrọgwụ na-agbanyeghị gbuo okpuru niile ejikwe ọtụtụ ndị were mee mmadụ dịka Joe Igbokwe onye ọrụ ya propaganda ịma anya a na-eme lobbying ụgbaka o doro m anya na enwere ndị Igbo ya lọbịrị ha rigoro na-ekwu akọtọ ihe ọbụla bụ Igbo ma ọ dị mma ma ọ dị njọ na-akọtọ ya. Joe Igbokwe so na Joe Igbokwe pụtara sị na ama ihe n'okwu maka ndị IPOB chefuo na OPC ka nọkwa na Lagos ahụ na ndị akpọtọ ha agbụrụ na-egbu mmadụ everyday almost everyday ya nọ mission ọ ya gosi na o nwere special interest here and then nwekwana ihe mere o ji nwee that special interest wee na-agwa Dr. Ngozi Orabaeze na ndị otu ya because ahụkwa m ka IPOB ekwuole no sit at home.
Now I want you to listen confusion. I told you, one thing, this is just example of what I'm talking about US. They're always, they can't, I have not seen anything good. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I've not seen anything presentable. Anything that any sensible human being can see and say, yeah, I am proud of the originator of this thing. I have not seen. Imagine recruiting a nobody in terms of issue of different movement who don't know left or right, don't even know anything. Fronting her to be your spokesperson. That is height of madness. Like that is one of the most stupid things they have done this year, because they always come up with a stupid thing, to be honest with you. But for this year, 2026, recruiting this woman to talk to be a spokesperson for the IDOS is one of the shockiest things ever, if there is any language like that. It shocked me beyond my imagination. How can you recruit someone that don't even know anything about what has to defend? Now listen, just pay attention.
Ịmana m na-ekwu ụfọdụ ndị si na m na-eme ha attack. Achọrọ m ịghọta nke ha na-arụ arụ. IPOB krasita toma ha wepụla ele ihe gbasara Dr. Ngozi Orabaeze na ndị autopilot.
Now, all IPOB can sit at home. That's why I told you, I don't know where this woman have been living. Even those who don't bother about IPOB, about Biafra movement, they actually know the truth. Where has she been? Oh yeah, is she? Well, I don't know. Okay, let me tell you. IPOB, DOS declared sit at home initially after after the kidnap of Mass Americano. Then they cancelled it after engaging government, Nigerian government or Southeast governors. They trade it for a peanut. And PM said, no, we have to continue with it. And PM continued. That is end of IPOB advances at home. From that moment until now, they have been, in fact, until last month, they have been fighting at home until just last month. Last month, they started having double opinion. PM is where he is today because of sit at home. One of the things they hold firm. They drag Bianco no, and Mazamkano's wife, of course. That one is Lord Nneka. She loved this Nneka. Look innocent to compare her. But I'm not here for that. They drag themselves, they talk about it, they did everything possible to stop sit at home. You are following, right? Now, this woman telling you that no, how can I sit at home? Or to tell you a boost will no never be also be we don't know what against you. Listen.
And the Biafran Liberation Army. I want to try kwado ihe IPOB wo ha ka sita to mo ha na adota ihe. The least unu ga-eme wo ihe aja because I
want to know what she said about Biafran Liberation Army because she may think that Biafran Liberation Army is under the US. Wait, hear from here.
Ha wepụla any ihe gbasara Dr. Emana m na-ekwu ụfọdụ ndị na m na-eme ha attack.
Listen.
Achọrọ m ịghọta nke ha na-arụ arụ. IPOB krasita toma. Ha wepụla any ihe gbasara Dr. Ngozi Orabeta na ndị autopilot na ndị Biafran Liberation Army. Ọnwụ na ịchọ ịkwado ihe IPOB wo ha krasita toma ha na-adọta ihe. The least unu ga-eme wo ihe aja because a na-elekwa ụnụ anya na ụnụ ndị esoro lobby ụnụ.
And this woman, that's why I told you that US are one of the most wicked elements I ever seen. Why are they allowing this woman to keep on disgracing herself? You need to call her, tell her the truth that Governmental Liberation Army is not you. You are not, both of you are not the same. That you guys canceled this thing, that you have done all you could to stop stay at home, you couldn't. Then you now turn on how to blackmail Samonekpa, the Prime Minister, to jail him, and you have successfully jailed him and label on him the same offense that quote unquote your leader, because I don't think Mazakan is your leader as well. So even though he told that US is my leadership and all that, that's anything goes. So you cannot just come out and say that. And US allow you, Mama, I believe if this woman have children or somebody's wife, they allow this woman to keep on exposing her stupidity in public. Now her which is the Kafakara. I honestly, really, that's it again now. Pay close attention.
Tell you why. When I'm going to hear that, unless I wouldn't give the propaganda. So, by Jemolu, I stand to be corrected. It's na ndị mmadụ na enwede right ịsọ ndị mmadụ kwụsịsị tattoo na Biafran land anọdụ na Nigeria. And don't nke nke na-agbamara nke na-agbaka m isi gị kiri ata a country nọ na Finland dem anyị na Nigeria na brainwash anyị na ya anọdụ na Nigeria. Dr. Ngozi Orabeta.
Now, if you ask her now, she just throw a punch, right? If you create a country, no, Finland. First and foremost, she's not in Finland, but due to your ignorance and US don't want to help you out to even inform you, they will keep on sharing your video where you are discussing yourself. They don't want to correct you because they're okay when you are exposing yourself because you made yourself available and they're gonna rubbish you and dump you. Now she's not in Finland. That's number one. Number two, you talked about creating a government and outside you're not in a buy. DOS claimed that they are Directorate of State and governing body of IPOB. Who is IPOB? Entire Igbo land, indigenous people of Biafra. So they are the one governing this land. They are body that governing Igbo land, right? Good. Now, ask yourself, go and ask those people that send you, what you just said now, how are they governing Igbo land? Governing body of IPOB. Because to them, when they say IPOB, one family, what the IPOB you're talking about, the indigenous people of Biafra, indigenous, it has to do with land, geographic location of that indigenous, and the people, number of people that matter that lives in those areas. They are the governing body of that IPOB. As for you, that the question people that is governing or creating government, the people that sent you, they told you, you can hear it, you can read it, that they are a governing body of IPOB. How are they governing body? What have they governed in those geographic locations that make up IPOB? Show us. But you are in a haste to question other people. You are very much in a haste to question that. Now listen.
Eze biko ayama mme na ahụ ihe ndị amị na-eme along Onitsha Enugu road. Mkpịsị aka ma nwere mgbe ndị eli tọpụrụ ya nga na ha na-adọ na ha na-asaachị otu nwata nwokorobịa na-eme ụmụaka ihe m lelekere ha na-aba ha abịa eso onye ka mgbe wo drọ m mkpịsị aka m dọpụ ahapụwa ụmụaja na-asaachị ekpebikpe mkpịsị aka m pụrụ na ha ayọwazie m biko ịnọ na Finland ndị mmadụ ihe a na-agabiga. Mgbe m si Enugu na-alata Nnewi na Disemba ka m na-agbafe anyị na-abịata ndị nke na-alala maka activities ha mere m ihe m ji lara Nnewi that day 11 p.m. ije m hapụrụ by 4 na Disemba mgbe ọ na-ehit so anyị pụta na dia checkpoint onwe onye nke na-abịa anyị nwa na-ala so ha so onye nke ahụ nye ha ego dị ma nji private ha si ya paaki ya m jụwa m wepụta ọnụ na moto si ya eleghị ji paaki this man na ya paaki kwuo nke anyị m loto na ya supiri mbawazie bawa na ọwụ anyị na-atụ ụjọ na-agba ha nkịtị so ndị niile paaki gwara nga ahụ ya ahịọ anyị bidoro m ihe ebido anyị na-abazi so ụjọ ọba mgbe m na-ebidozi ya na-evidio m na-evidio kwe ha ụjọ ọbazie ha release sha ya gawa. Dr. Ngozi Orabaeze ele ihe ị na-eme about all these things ebe ọnwụ gị wụ president anyị.
I told you that somebody with that brain cannot run propaganda. You are trying to do what is beyond your capacity. Listen, the same people that send you to support them and IPOB, DOS and all that, they are the one that was, in fact, they are the one, not even was, they are the one that is against anybody. That's why I say you don't read the profile of those that are backing. Go and check the man called the Beko. Go and check Ike Guru. Go and check Keshoso. Go and check Jofika. This is an element of DOS. These are what they want people to see. That PM is the one. The argument is even if I job. I have read their write-up. They claim that PM Samonepa, not the Moody Bonan Army. How can you be killing your own brother? You should break the wall to Sokoto. But the Sokoto people are the one mounting roadblock in your land. You should just ignore them and start going to Sokoto, go to Abuja and fight. That's the idea of DOS. Like I said, I understand that they cannot come out and begin to tell you all these things. Because some of the things they did, they are ashamed of it. They are very, very ashamed of that. So I am not expecting them to come out and begin to expose those things to you. But there are some basic things that allow you to keep on yapping and in the name we are talking. Now, this is not the only one. Here again, because she said something that will interest you here.
President Putin nwere obodo also woke ha na Ukraine, ọkwa Ukraine. Ga ndị amị ka echi so that Ukraine government mee iwu on them may affect, they protect them. How are you protecting the Biafrans na ese na-achị? Maka ihe would the brainwashing ndị ebe
the only people brainwashing you are those that actually pay you peanuts. You know, they send money in dollars, in pounds, in euro, then you rush and change it. You think that you have a contact in abroad. And you end up disgracing yourself. Listen, the people that is against if he protect our land are those funding you now. They are those funding you now. And they know. Go and check. Since you and Lasuba is not a good friend, I don't know, because you guys refer to that. You have not responded to her. You have not respond to her, but I have not seen your response to her. But she keep on using your video. And sometimes she praise you, sometimes she fights you. Sometimes she play a video of a man called a Nneka. I don't hate anybody. I'm just telling you the gospel truth. Go and listen to the audio that she released that Nneka sent. How Nneka is talking about how they're going to kill people and label it on PM and all that. It is in the public domain. And if you can know what is happening in Russia, like we're giving us illustration, why is it difficult for you to know what is happening in Igbo land? Because you know those things. That means okay, it's Namara Asukwe, Emara Sodo, Monemara Iguana. Okay, I'll run. I want on there. You know, to us.
I'm watching the medical what in here water. What in goes or a better she bring was shown na and when a Biafran state. I know Nigeria not by way. Equal.
My name never defended it for 13 years. Have governing body of IPOB. For more than that's it, even more than 20 years. If I hope I okay, let me just be kind enough. More than 15 years. Okay, they have this body, governing body, and that governing body, you ignore it. You have not asked yourself what are they governing. You just focus on IPOB. The same IPOB you are talking about have a body called DOS, and that DOS they introduce themselves as Directorate of State. Directorate of State. What are they directing? They are not directing a state. Where is the state? You are talking about you create a country, Directorate of State. What is state in that direction? What are they? These people that directing something going on in the state. What have they done? Directorate of State, DOS, Directorate. Now, if maybe you don't understand it, they also said that they are not only Director of State, that they are governing body of IPOB. So they just break it down. In other words, these are your executive leading you. So what have they done and what have they led you to? You just hear DOS about that. And this idea of you challenging them started panicking up, started developing fear about you when you challenge them, goes to show that you are not ordinary. Yes, there must be some document that you have that the company, because nobody will even say what they're saying in this challenging the army people, and they're videoing you are videoing them. Army of Nigeria that can correct your phone and smash it. They started panicking. You must have a wide jaw. You must be a very, very tough human being, which you are yet to see. But I'm just saying, because of what we heard that the army, they started panicking because they keep on, they're recording you, are recording them, that kind of thing. Here, how again.
Local tax, Nigerian government tax, and the Biafra no Nigeria the tax. How is that possible, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze? Now, tax,
you should channel this your question to the Directorate of State. I don't know why it's so difficult for you to understand. You have a governing body. You have a governing body. Am I the only one saying this? Okay, let me go back again for sake of those that are watching this video. Okay, please, my people. Here, and this guy is not. It's not as if he made a mistake. This is how they identified themselves from time immemorial, from the beginning. They have never for once misword that. Look at it here. Start from here. Directorate of State, DOS. Okay. Look at it here. The leadership and governing body of IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra. When you say indigenous, that means you must have a land that belongs to you. Indigenous. This part of the world belongs to you. This is where your land, everything about you, the indigenous, the inhabitant of this location. Indigenous people of Biafra. Indigenous. It has to do with indigenous, their land, their map, and their population. Okay? So they are governing body of these places for efficiency and the results. And this one don't bother to know how efficient they are and their result in past years. And we are just questioning. Oh, you said you are government down in the inside. You are not USP. You show us how are you leading. And the annoying part, why am I even replying her this way, is because those that she's out to defend are those who defend themselves as they introduce themselves, or that they define themselves as the Directorate of State, DOS, the leadership and the governing body of indigenous people of Biafra. We all are Biafrans. When it comes to protests, they see us as a Biafran. When it comes to questioning them and trying to understand what they're doing and interrogating them and coming them, demanding something from them, they will say you're actually not a member of this IPOB. So becoming indigenous, you have to become a member, no longer by birth. Because they said indigenous. Once they said you have to take an oath, that makes it no longer has nothing to do with indigenous anymore. It simply means that anybody that is willing to pay monthly dues and willing to take oaths, you remember. So how is it indigenous? But we are not hammering on that now. I just want us to understand that people that send this woman channeled, ignore the question that she should have channeled to them and looking for somebody to impose it on. And that is unacceptable.
Governments, different governments. Then another government, one that China, you. Then in order again, directive, they put these your citizens in danger without providing any form of protection.
That is why you cannot support, you cannot swear for all this you are saying now, because if you do, you regret it, because you are lying.
On not at all, so clear more responsibility on and the Zulu, and I bruise more time to face the village. I am now who does the face in Damien was your. Don't know better thing.
Go and I think I don't need to play for them. Go and find the name. Those names that I mentioned to you, they are member of the US. They work with the IPOB US. Okay, you can't go Ruago. Even Uche before. These are product of those, and they are the one causing distraction. Based on your question, I am not a member of any government, like any cabinet, but I'm a citizen of Biafra by birth. And I cannot, because I'm a Biafran, begin to pretend that some elements who cannot provide or do anything positively, they actually matter when I know they don't matter anything. So if you like, keep on, and I'm not the only one feeling this way. That you say that people keep on calling you because the whole Biafrans know that they know that you are actually talking to yourself. Anyway, my people, I'm going to end it here because all her nonsense comment doesn't carry any water. I just want you to see how people reason and how people can deceive themselves, thinking that they're deceiving other people. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Do you agree or disagree? Like I said, you get what I said. As long as what I'm saying is true, I am not here to attack anybody. I just expose what you need to know. I'm not saying you should attack anybody. I don't promote violence, but my own is to tell you the truth. Then you yourself, after watching, you now have the right to decide on what you want. Your decision is your decision. I can't decide for you. Take care of yourself and make sure you like the video and share it on the platform of your choice. Good morning to you. Bye bye for now.